Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to summarize your documentation in the Notebook LM. For that, the process is very simple, easy and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to understand everything inside it. So on the left hand side, you can see the resources that I have linked, all the sources, and these are the personal ones. And on the right hand side, I have the studio. Over here, I can have the audio overview, which I have already created.
When you walk
It sounds super good.
down Main Street or
And if you want the documentation, over here, you will see that there is a report option. When you click on report, you can get a brief documentation by just clicking on this. I have already done so, and I'm going to show you guys, the brief documentation over here. If I just can actually enhance it, yeah. So it's very easy. So this is the complete documentation that you guys can also, uh, you can also achieve, or you can also get by just clicking on that report, and you can click on the brief documentation and download it. It's very simple and very easy. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this pretty helpful. See you in the next one.